this denominator times by x minus 1, therefore this numerator times by x minus 1. Okay. Now I'm doing it this way because one of the most common mistakes that we saw as teachers was the bottom was fine, but this is now 8x, and this is minus 3 into x minus 1. And can you see this is 8x, and then look, minus 3x, and then minus 3 times negative 1 is plus 3. That was the most common mistake that we saw. Okay, so this is f of x now, and we'll finish it off. This is 5x plus 3, and on the bottom we can expand or leave it factorised. 4x minus 4, I'll go ahead and expand it, and there is your f of x. And now the hence, right? So using this answer, we're going to try and find the inverse function. So I'm going to go ahead and write that as y equals 5x plus 3 over 4x minus 4. A common method is to interchange the x and the y. I'll go with that method here. As long as you just rearrange, basically, it doesn't really matter if you interchange or not. Now the first step is the most important one. I'm going to put a little bracket around here, multiply both sides by the 4y minus 4, and you can see that the 4y minus 4 will now appear on the left hand side. Now go ahead and expand. Now it's important that we understand the end goal is to get y on its own, to isolate the y. So get the y's on the same side, so I'm going to minus 5y on both sides. But I'm also at the same time